Woke up to 12 degrees in New Jersey today. It's already colder than what's supposed to be the coldest day in New Jersey. It's already colder than what all the mini-split and heat pump manufacturers have been telling us we wouldn't see again for years. I had a guy doing a slideshow once for Fujitsu where he showed a mini-split sitting on the ground in place of a steam radiator. And he said, remember, if your customer asks what the most efficient steam boiler is, you tell him it's a Fujitsu. He was dead to me after that. But I'm not really worried about it. The guy's probably freezing right now.